Days of a brand new start.
Mga kapatid, tayo'y nagagalak na magkatipon-tipon sa pagdiriwang na ito para sa sanggol na si Gianna Riley Lakad Agustin na magiging kaanib ng ating sambayanang Kristiyano.
Around you.
Bilang kinatawan ng sambayanang Kristiyano, ikinagagalak kong tanggapin ang inyong anak sa pamamagitan ng pagkukrus sa kanyang noo.
Glory, we bask in the sun. How you've put your arms around me.
Ikaw ay binibinyagan ko, Gianna Riley, sa ngalan ng Ama at ng Anak at ng Espiritu Santo. Sa binyag, inampun ka na ng Diyos Ama. Isa ka ng Kristiyano.
Made for the worthy cause.
So a pleasant afternoon to each and every one of you, ladies and gentlemen. It's the 4th of January 2026, and I'd like to welcome you all here at the La Conquera Events Hall as we celebrate and witness this grandest baptism ever of Gianna Riley Agustin.
This time has only just begun here. Gathered in song, let them laugh.
May we be fortunate enough for us to be able to witness more of your milestones in your life. And we'll always be here every step of the way, ready to pick you up if ever life brings you down. Love you, baby.
Gian, you are really a gift to your mom and dad. You're a blessing. So I wish you to have faith in God as you grow up so that you can be a blessing to everybody.
Sana lumaki kang mabait, masunurin sa magulang at sa mga tita, lola. Mag-aaral kang mabuti. Love you.
Nagpapasalamat po kami sa Panginoon sa mahabang panahon. Pinagkaloob po niya sa amin si Gian.
Sana'y pagkaloob sa iyo ng Diyos na ikaw ay lumaking mabait.
From what once was only hope and a dream. Raging palms to the sun. Let me throw my arms around you. I've been waiting my whole life.
It's time to celebrate. Today is all about Gianna Riley, the newest and sweetest member of our Christian community. Ladies and gentlemen, let us now welcome baby Gianna Riley together with Daddy J and Mommy Judy.